A very good morning to all of you. This is Dr. Preeti Rani Mittal, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Commerce, Government PG College, Kotdwar, author of Income Tax Law and Practice, co-author with Dr. Anshika Bansal, Assistant Professor, Government PG College, New Tihri, Uttarakhand. Published by Messrs. Sultan Chand and Sons, Daryaganj, New Delhi. We have great pleasure to presenting the first edition of the book Income Tax Law and Practice. From time to time attempts are being made to simplify the Income Tax Act 1961. The result of frequent amendments is such that it is very difficult to know correctly the Income Tax Act and rules framed thereunder. This book presents the law and practice of income tax in an analytical and lucid manner. This book is primarily intended for BCom, BCom Honors, BBA, BCA and MCom students. The book has been written to cater the needs of students appearing in such examinations. We trust the book would meet the requirement of both as well as students. The book contains 21 well-defined chapters. In the book, all the concepts are followed by plenty of illustration with solution, which are further followed by multiple choice questions, practical problems and solutions, true and false statements, fill in the blanks, which will be helpful for the revision of basic concept of law. The book contains more than 550 illustrations and questions which have been modified in accordance with the provision applicable in assessment year 2021. The book is the section-wise study given in the beginning of each chapter to enable the student to make a systematic and user-friendly examination-oriented style that facilitates the comprehension in both section-wise and topic-wise manner. The book facilitates the understanding of a complex subject written in a unique, simple and easy manner. The efforts have been done to make the book self-explanatory and more meaningful rather than bulky. The book contains 21 chapters which is divided into 5 units. Unit 1 is related to introduction of the income tax law and practice and contains 3 chapters: Introduction and basic concepts, residential status and income under income exempt from tax. Unit 2 is very important, in which computation of income under different heads is clearly defined and contains 7 chapters. Income from salaries, income from house property, profit and gains from business or profession, determinants of income of presumptive basis, depreciation, capital gains, and income from other sources. Unit 3 is related to computation of total incomes and contains 3 chapters. Income of other persons included in assessee's total income, that is clubbing of income, set off and carry forward of losses, and deductions to be made in computing total income. Unit 4 is divided into 4 chapters: assessment of agricultural income, assessment of individuals, assessment of Hindu undivided family, and assessment of firms. Thus, Unit 4 is related to assessments. Unit 5 is related to Preparation of Return of Income and contains 4 chapters. Rebate and Relief of Tax, Return of Income, Tax Deducted at Source and TDS Return, and last, Assessment Procedure. Important highlights in amendments brought by the Finance Act 2020 and leading cases have been mentioned in the book. So we believe that there is always a scope for improvement in the book. We will appreciate to receive the reviews, comments and suggestions for further improvement of the book. Your reviews, comment and suggestions are a source of encouragement, inspiration and motivation to us to further improvement and quality of book. This is the first edition of the book. An attempt has been made to minimize the errors. But if you come across any of them, please notify them to us through our publisher by writing them at their postal address or their email address mentioned in the book. Thanking you. This is Dr. Preeti Rani Mittal with co-author Dr. Anshika Bansal. Have a nice day.